This is our little frog pond garden thing. It's what's keeping the little frog here, so I see him over here every now and then. I'm excited about that. This side of the garden, of course, looks normal, looks pretty casual, looks great. Tomatoes, been harvesting them every day. We got some more ridge gourd coming in. And then this is my favorite one over here. Got the flower on it and the fruit. It's so cute. That weird ridge gourd hasn't gotten any bigger. It looks like it's just drying out, which is fine. Just put up these sticks so that the gourd, since it's taken over, going everywhere, you can come over here, you know, vine up it, whatever. Cast a little more shade, which for this new installment, I'll put a bunch of sticks in it so nothing drowns, and then whatever. I'm gonna dump water out if I see mosquitoes, but this is mostly for the frogs. I set up a little bridge so he can get in there, get a little extra habitat if he wants it. I also built this to cast a little more shade because the cat likes to come and hang out with me in the garden, and he's kind of stuck under here. So I built that so he can get a little extra shade. And then I built this, another frog bridge, so you can get in here, trying to build, you know, ecosystems. That is a log on top of another log, so there's a larger space, but there's also little crevices here you can hide in. But yeah, just ecosystem building, looking at the garden. Kind of did my own mulching here with some leftover sticks. And then, yeah, this is still growing. I've been taking things in and out, putting them different places. Sad potatoes. Still can't get potatoes right. All the onions died except for these store-bought ones that, yeah, water transplanted to soil, and it turned out awesome. Coming over here, I had a lettuce here, so I went ahead and moved it. I moved his flower along with it just because I didn't know where the roots were, didn't want to damage it, so it was so close I decided to take them both. But since it's been raining a lot, I've been spreading the dead-headed marigolds seed all around here. Typically when I plant them in the rain. That way they're more likely to sprout, because me trying to keep them moist every day in the heat, it doesn't work. But when it's a long rainy season or period, I throw the seeds out and I typically get sprouts, maybe one or two, just like that. It's one of those seed sprouts. That's it, just wanted to give a little garden update.